Hi from Lolly Talk. Walgreens deals of the week are amazing. I'm gonna go step by step what they are. These are some of the deals of the week. It's not all of it. I'm gonna go from left to right, explaining what I got, how much I paid, and what I got back for. So I'm gonna be going over all of the transactions that I did. I did a few of them and what I got for them. So here we go. On the left, we have the Scott tissues in the back. You could either get those, the paper towels, you can get the bath tissues, or you can get the other bath tissues that are like white and blue. It's a dozen and they're for $9.99. These, for example, are $5 for each one. And in this particular case, these two that you see in the front, you buy one at $5 and the second one is half off. So that means buy one at $5, the second one is $2.50. When you reach $35 of Scott products, you will get $10 back in a registered reward. So something like this, $10 back in a registered reward for that. And also, because this week we are still participating in a perk that everyone has in their account at Walgreens, the app, you spend $30 and you get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So you spend $35 on the Scott products, you get back $17, the $10 for the registered reward I showed you, and the $7 back into your account. Also, we have this week, there's a promotion going on for the Huggies. The Huggies is the same thing. It's $35 you have to spend to get back $10 in a registered reward, just like this one. And then you get also the $7 back into your account. So in this case, I picked up two of the little movers, size 7. It doesn't matter the size. In my case, I picked size 7. And I picked two pull-ups, the 5T, 6T. Sorry. And those have a $3 digital coupon. The Scott products do not have any digital coupons. Forgot to mention that. But yes, the pull-ups do have $3 off. And I'm going to show you how that came out. Now, in the case of the Huggies, is the only product that you see in front of you that's not on sale. It's regular price. So because of that, we were able to use something called a 20% store coupon. So some of you may have 20% off of 40. I had 20% off of 30. So again, the two sets of the Huggies are $23 each, two for $23, two for $23 for the pull-ups. Together, it's $46, but I got $9.20 off from that 20% store coupon. Also, the $3 digital coupon that I mentioned came off perfectly, and I used two registered rewards, so similar to these, two registered rewards from prior purchases to help me lower the cost out of pocket. My total was $26.80 for the Huggies, and I did get back the registered reward that I showed you a moment ago, this $10, and I also got back $7 into my account in terms of Walgreens cash. Another transaction that I did was for the Oral-B toothbrushes. We have the kids' toothbrushes, and they're 4 in a pack for $3. It's the sale price for this week. And we have the 4-pack of the Blast Away plaque, and those are the adult toothbrushes, and those are coming out to $3.79 the pack. So for those two, it was $6.79. So here it is. We have the $3 for the kids and the $3.79 for the adults. So in that order as well, I got the Colgate, two Colgates for $9, so $4.50 each. There's a $4 digital coupon in the app, only one for the toothbrushes, only one digital coupon for $1. And again, the Colgate is a $4 digital coupon, and you get back $4 in a registered reward. So this came back for that. And this $3 back for buying the toothbrushes for the adults and kids. Now, I also put in this transaction the Venus Minis. You get an up close of that. So here is the Venus Beanie. This is for like traveling. You put the top inside with the shaver, and it looks just like this. So these are $9.99 each, a total of $19.98. There is a $3 digital coupon that comes off, which leaves you to pay $16.98 for both. But then you get back $8. So here's a receipt for that. Here's the two for $19.98, and you get back $8 in a registered reward. So this one. And so everything came off great. I got the $3 off digital coupon for the Venus, the 1 for the Oral-B, and the 4 for the Colgate. What I got back was, I got back the, like I showed you a moment ago, the $3 for, the $4 for the Colgate, the $3 back for the Crest or Oral-B, and the $8 for purchasing the two Venuses. So you can get the Venus Gillette, the pink ones. You can also do the same deal for that. It is $9.99 as well as the little minis. And then on another transaction, I did the Oral-B with that Venus with the $9.99 for the pink ones. And so these are coming out to $4 each, the Oral-B charcoal 4 times 3 is $12. There is a digital coupon for $5 in the app for purchasing 3 items. And so 12 take away 5, it was $7. From those $7, you get back $3 in a registered reward also. And that makes your total for $4 for the 3 toothbrushes of the charcoal Oral-B. And so it comes out to about $1.33 each. And then the Venus, as I showed you before, the same deal with the getting back 8 and the $3 digital coupon. And so that turned out perfectly well as well. So everything turned out good so far. If you have any more questions on couponing, put them in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also post on TikTok every day. I post sales. And I also do lives at TikTok, so you can follow me on TikTok Laundry Talk as well. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and do not forget to smile.